Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta, sending the video of landform of the world. We will start the video from the mind opener. Mind opener: what kind of land is present around your house and a school? It is flat or is it hilly? It is flat. Are there any water bodies like lake, river or sea? No. There are rivers. Name is Gomti. Have you been to places where the land is different from where you live? Of course, most of the students have gone different places, different land. Yes. Now we will discuss landform. The land covering the earth mass surface is not uniform. The different features that make up the earth's surface are called landform. There are four main landforms: are mountain, plains, plateau and deserts. Some landforms are formed by forces that act on the surface on the earth, such as water, wind and ice. And some are formed by the processes occurring deep inside the earth. What is mountain, valley and passes? Mountains are rocky masses of the land that rise higher than the surrounding. And what is the hill? Hill are the small and lower between the mountain we find it. Mountain usually occur in a long rows called mount range. The Himalayas in the north of India is the highest mountain range of the world. Highest mountain range of the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, is located in Himalayas in Nepal. Mountains which are formed when two large land masses push against each other are called fold mountain. Example: Himalayas, the Rocky in North America and Alps in Europe. And some mountains are formed when molten rock from deep inside the earth rises to the surface, forming a volcano. They are called volcanic mountain. Mount Fuji in Japan and Mount Vesuvius in Italy is the example of volcanic mountain. Now other kind of the mountain is block mountain, which is formed by splitting and sliding of the large block of land. Example: this is the Sierra Nevada mountain is a block mountain. Note the steep face of the mountain. These are the pictures of the Rocky Mountain in USA. This is the formation of block mountain. This is Mount Fuji. Now what is the valley? The lowland between hills or mountain is called valley. Valley are normally formed by glaciers or river wearing away rocks or mountain. The famous valley in India are Kashmir Valley and Brahmaputra Valley. And what is the passes? Mountains have low, narrow, natural gaps called passes. People cross the mountain through these passes. The Khyber Pass is in the Himalayas, connect Afghanistan and Pakistan. Now plateau. This is the picture of Khyber Pass, connect Afghanistan and Pakistan. Now plateau. Plateau is a large area of land that is higher than the surrounding and more or less flat at the top of, known as plateau. And the Deccan Plateau is the South India, covers the almost entire Indian peninsula, and the Tibetan Plateau in Himalayas is the highest plateau in the world. It is known as the roof of the world. And the Columbia and the Colorado Plateau are in the USA. Now plains. Plains is a land where all of us live. Gentle slopes, rivers flowing from the mountain bring fertile soil and the plain, so crops grow well here. Plains are therefore most thickly populated areas in the world. Now, this is the picture of prairies, USA. Now in the next video, we will discuss about the other things, landform of the world.